Happy Saturday evening, everyone. This is No Edits Crypto episode 87 now, I believe. Getting up there, approaching the 100 here shortly. If you like this video, as always, please do me a favor and subscribe on YouTube or follow me on Steam. I appreciate it. Into the news today, a couple stories for you. Uh, this one is really good news. Um, we are now seeing 93%, over 90% of the market. The cryptocurrency buy orders now comprise nearly 93% of total market activity, according to data from Turtle BC. That's the highest percentage since March of last year, when more than 96% of the market was in a buy mode. At this time last month, only 5% of the market was long crypto. So, I mean, 80, what is that, 87%, 88% difference in a month. That's just insanity. It shows you the nature of human beings and just um, how willing they are to follow the herd, I guess. The upsurge in buy orders coincides with more than 130 billion recovery, which I've mentioned on the show. We're over that now since April 6th, when the market bottomed nearly just under 250 billion dollars at 247 billion. The recovery puts cryptos in bull market territory based on the traditional definition of the term. Crypto assets were valued at 395 billion on Friday, and they are currently at 380 billion dollars. So a little dip, 15 billion isn't too crazy to see back and forth from a day-to-day thing. 15 billion back, up and down, sort of not too uncommon. The second story today is that Amazon Web Services has announced they've unveiled a new service for launching out of the box blockchain networks for the Ethereum and Hyperledger Fabric protocols. In a blog post published on Wednesday, the Amazon Web Services chief evangelist Jeff Barr wrote that the newly available templates allow clients to launch uh, an Ethereum or Hyperledger Fabric private, which is a private network, in a matter of minutes and with just a few clicks. He went on to explain, and this is via CoinDesk, David Floyd. The templates create and configure all of AWS's Amazon Web Service resources needed to get you going in a robust and scalable fashion. This is like a very big story, since everyone's been waiting for Amazon to really get into cryptos. There was a lot of speculation a few months ago that Amazon was going to accept Litecoin, and that hasn't happened yet as a payment means. But who knows what the future will hold. It's interesting that they're going to start working with the Ethereum blockchain and helping companies and cryptos on there. Just more good news. Another huge company, I mean the biggest company in the world now, right? Starting to get their feet wet in cryptocurrency. So that's obviously a very positive thing to see. Into the market, it's at 88.20 USD right now. Bitcoin, that is. It's down 0.4% for the last 24 hours, so barely in the red today. Ethereum is down 2.87% at $593 after it broke that 600 bound yesterday. I think it was yesterday. It's dipped below 600 again. Litecoin jumped up over 150 yesterday. It's down 5.33% today at 146.14 USD. Neo is down 6.7% for the day at 73.49. And lastly, Steam is currently at $3 and down 4.32% for the day after it jumped up. I think yesterday's high was at $3.18 per Steam. So not a great day for the market. Most everything is in the red as I scroll down this page here, but most of the coins aren't really taking too big a hit. It was more of a sideways move. Um, 5% is more than I'd like to see Litecoin dip, but really that's not too crazy. Um, so we'll have to wait and see what we do. I still think I think we are heading upwards. $380 million total market cap. Bitcoin dominance is up 2% from yesterday at 39.45%. And the volume is certainly nothing to worry about. I really think we're starting to see good things, and I think that now that tax season has come to an end in the United States, we're going to start seeing a lot of money flood back in, and you can already see that happening. But I'll bring you guys another update tomorrow, as always, and everybody have a good Saturday night.